When you have experience, it's very often that you want to share this experience. And if you don't have clients, you cannot really make money for your business. So it can be really frustrating if you have the knowledge, have the possibility to help others, but you just don't get clients. In today's video, I would like to share 3 main points when it comes to getting more clients. Before we start, I'm Nadia, and on this channel I talk about business and self-development. Consider subscribing and hit the notification bell not to miss new videos. The first important point when it comes to getting clients is creating content. But it's not only creating content, it's creating the right content. Meaning that you need to know who is your client, who is your potential client. And this is probably somebody who is in the situation you used to be before. And because you've learned how to handle the situation, now you have the experience to teach others. Basically, any kind of experience that you have gives you the opportunity to be useful for others and to be able to use it in your business. The right content would be the content where you talk to your subscribers or followers using the language they understand. Because you've been in that situation before, you know exactly how it feels. And you talk about your experience, and they can relate to that, because this is exactly how they feel now. You want complete strangers to trust you. But to get there, you need to provide the right content. You need to talk to your followers and subscribers. You need to talk to your audience. And those people are not just some theoretical clients, they are the people that could be your friends, could be your family members, could be some people you know. That's a heavy rain again, here in Germany. This year we had a lot of rain, France, but give this video a like if you can relate to that. This is really amazing how much water can be coming from above, So when you make your content, make sure you talk to the people who are potentially your audience, your potential clients. And the second point is that you need to optimize your message. You need to choose where your content should be placed. And for business, I recommend either YouTube or Instagram, both if possible. I also have a course on 8 ways to monetize your Instagram account. If you are interested in making your career on Instagram or building your business on Instagram, make sure to check it out after watching this video. And any platform has, some rules how to optimize your content. If you don't learn those strategies, it's very hard to reach your audience, even if you have a perfect message. So make sure you take your time and learn. I also have some playlists on this channel, for example, how to build your business on YouTube. Check it out after watching this video, So there is a lot of free content as well. Very often, though, if you want to take a fast, shortcut to reaching some goal, you might need to have a mentor, you might need to take a course where you can get a full package of information without, spending too much time or too much money on trying to get all the pieces together, Optimize your message. Once you've created the right content and after you optimize it, the third important point is to make sure that each piece of content that you put out gives your audience the opportunity to take action, to get more from you. So you need to find ways to give to your audience as much content as possible, and at the same time to give them the opportunity to join your programs, to get your free content in exchange of an email or something like that, so that this audience can stay longer with you. You can provide even more information, more value for them on your mail list, for example. Because if you're just making the content, optimizing it, but you don't show people how they can continue working with you, then it's also a little bit a waste of the potential here. Those were 3 main points of how to get new clients. And if you like this video so far, make sure to give this video a like and leave me a comment. It really helps me spread this information further on YouTube so that more people can benefit from it. If you would like to know more how to start your business, how to create a business that you would be passionate about and therefore enjoy making money and impact, make sure to check out my free training. The link is in the description below on building your dream business. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that we can see each other next Wednesday.